This is so awesome. It's pretty cold.
It is pretty cold. I'm still a little cold, even though I have like a sweater and all that.
Not that cold. Look at the size over there. So awesome. And rough.
It's a lot of hills. And we'll let you guys know what the name of this place is on the description. So we're going to visit like some places tomorrow. We're going to check out a garden. We might go to Seattle. Yeah, I mean, so why not? We're just 4 hours away. Drive over there and back here. So I do know that it's distressing for 4 hours because it's like an 8-hour day. And the time we spend over there. Alright. Hold on. Hold on. So we continue there, we continue going up Fort Hall. I guess heading back up right here. Alright, continue going there. I think I wouldn't be embarrassed to take a leak somewhere around here. You know where the leak is? Why not do some more things for it? This is so awesome. Here we go.
Yeah. Okay, good. Yeah.
Like the ones we saw at Twilight.
Yeah.
I was gonna say I feel like taking another picture, but I'm gonna show this with the camera. Like even to my Facebook friends. Like this is so awesome. We're actually deep. Well, this is like a small part of the forest that they made like a park. It's all around the thing is just city. It's next to me already. Let's just keep recording. Is it me? Oh, you hear that? Should we get like some type of stick for self-defense?
I think we'll be fine. Like I told you, I have a box cutter.
Bugs.
Hey, something's better than nothing.
Oh god. I'm having a hard time getting like if we're like is this still like a trail?
It's raining.
Oh, it's because it's raining. But you see nothing hits us except for the wind. Is this still a trail? Yeah. Oh my god. You're scared now. Heck yeah. Should we continue or just go back?
It is kind of getting a bit scary, but let's continue. But if we see that,
If we see that it's getting a lot longer, let's just go back there.
we're only beginning hikers, so
Oh no, it looks better here. I think the people that came, once we saw those two people, they went through all of these. So, oh god, this is big here. Oh no, oh yeah, really big, you see?
well, let me get a bit closer.
Wow. Now I see why Bella was fucking scared when she was alone with Edward in the woods. You see? I have to tell you something.
Oh my gosh, shut up. Don't do that, Volker.
You know,
We don't keep going. Está lloviendo. Yeah, let's just keep going. Till I see it finishes. Okay, probably not. If it's getting way too long, we're beginning hikers though. So we're gonna go back. Oh, let's get up a bit. Okay.
Right now we're just gonna keep walking like this. Follow them through the journey. Look. Dang, that's good. Right? So they're walking with us. Oh damn, we are going up.
Yeah, yun. Nakasin ko iba hindi.
I'm gonna hold it.
But seriously, this is really nice.
Yeah.
It just looks like it's hilly. So it's kind of tiring.
Is that, but you just want a straight road. It's like roads is like Sesame, see? You get easy parts, you get down parts, you get lost, you have to pick routes. Dude, this is awesome. I wonder how it looks during the spring. That's where everything starts to grow again, right?
Yeah.
Oh god.
I think the summer it will look nice too.
Oh god. I don't think it's ever summer here.
There is some summer. I think the highest temperature is 80 during the summer.
With this. Oh god. Huh? We do respect the park.
Yeah. Probably, I don't know if I'm not sure, but I saw like 80 degrees was the highest one they got. So that's 80 degrees was a perfect day.
Yeah.
Because we get temperatures of like over 100 degrees.
Oh god. You know, it's probably gonna take us like an hour and a half to get back.
Yeah. Come on, watch your step.
I want to give a shout out to myself for doing this. It was worth it. Oh my god, I heard something. That's probably me. And oh my god, and the rain, the trees, the clowns. Oh my god, I better stop joking with that. It's scary. You know what? I think this one's actually taking us back.
Yeah, this is only up.
Oh. There's another. Don't step on it. Is there snakes? I think.
This is when you come not prepared.
Yeah. So we don't think we're lost. I think we're going the right way. She's saying to go another way. I'm saying to go back. So we'll find out. But we were not prepared at all.
I told you we should record the tracks.
I think we're definitely going the right way. Because when you remember when we were heading up here, they offered this route too. So we chose the other one. So let's go. Oh, I definitely wanted to check out Mountain View, but you know what? We could come back here tomorrow and more prepared. Let's go.
Okay.